Hello everyone, this is Dr.Huma Ibrar. I hope so you all be doing well. Today I'm here with very good news. As I announced earlier that I'm providing online coaching classes for the preparation of Prometric exam for Gulf countries. And Alhamdulillah, the result of one of my first batch candidate has been announced. The candidate had applied for Saudi license and he was left with only 13 days for preparation, along with his busy job routine. Hence, he requested for online coaching, and you can all see that he has cleared the Saudi license exam within just 13 days of preparation. Once again, I would like to congratulate Rizwan for his brilliant performance in Prometric exam, and I request all of you to appreciate him in comment section. Maybe you could be the next one. Registrations for the second batch of online classes are now open, and the coaching classes will start from 5th or 6th of August, inshallah. For registrations, you can mail me at hik_28@hotmail.com. My email ID is also given in description box. Registrations after 6th August will not be facilitated for second batch. Don't miss this chance. Hurry up. I'm only accepting 15 candidates per batch of 25 days. So if your exam is nearby and you are confused about preparation, you can contact me. Best of luck to all of you for exam. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting and remember me in your prayers.